Here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to just open the case, then enable Bluetooth, go to the Bluetooth section, tap pair new device, and when in the list available devices you can see when you see this Galaxy Buds Live, just tap on it, and after that they will be connected. So if you want to deactivate disconnect them, tap on the gear icon, and here you can or just disconnect them or forget them forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.